Basically, I'm Dr. Vinkel Arora. I'm Associate Professor in Department of Food Engineering, and this institute is an institute of national importance under Ministry of Food Processing Industry. And we have been working we are offering the courses like BTech, MTech, PhD and MBA programs at our institute. We also have the pilot plant facilities, and where I do work basically in the field of engineering, in the technology development, in the process optimization, in the use of renewable energy into the processing and value addition of the products. I think this is a great initiative. Through exhibitions, I think we need a regular follow-up what is the need of the customer. Then the contract manufacturer, how do they maintain the quality? I think this part is really missing in this entire sense, where I think we need to focus that what products are being manufactured as per the regulatory framework. And if we are exporting this product, we have a, let us say, export oriented market, then we need to identify that what are the challenges from the regulatory point of view, from the logistic point of view, then from the production point of view, to ensure that the quality is a blend of that product. I think this is the only one area where we need to intervene into the part. Other backend integration is if we can have more of the R&D, because we need not to reinvent the wheel. Lot of R&D is going around India, and believe me, other organizations in the world, other institutes in the world, they are also dealing in India and they are doing R&D. Let us take those R&D initiatives. There are a lot of technologies which are readily available. We need not to reinvent the wheel. We need to take those technologies, give it to the contract manufacturers. Once the formulation is standardized, process is standardized, let me have the product into the market. So, because if it is R&D product, we need not to invest into the manpower, infrastructure, facilities and maintaining that facility, because maintaining an R&D facility is also very difficult. Lot of things are really a challenge being done into R&D. I think sun is the source of our energy. We are getting lot of sunlight which is available, and if you see this, if you connect to the nature, you will get the answer. Everything is because of the sunlight. And if we can use that sunlight, because it is one thing which we can really, that is free of cost. And if we move towards this use of this sunlight and more efficiently, more thoughtful process in using this resource, I think this is the need of the hour. We are talking of reducing the waste, we are talking of sustainability. What we have, I think we should focus on that. So it is that energy which I am getting, and that is what is being radiated into the technologies. I am more largely working into the renewable energy sources, lowering down the energy cost, optimal use of the sunlight which is available. I think that keeps me going on, and it drives me that I should come up with the solutions that is available for the larger masses. I think it is a wonderful future where I think if we can have more orientation of the customer. Now here this is the dedicated part. I think if we can just add that what customer, because if I want to start a business, this is the right place to be. But if I am a consumer, that awareness about the consumer brand, about the product, what innovation you have done it, that should go to the consumer, because that demand is what is driving the business. So if I know where my product is, where to land, because here I am not getting the feedback. I am here for a business, to be very clear. And that is dedicatedly if I want to start a business, or I want to, as an ingredient supplier, I want to collaborate. But if I am a consumer, where do I stand into this? I think this is one we can add, where the consumer can visit, purchase the products, because I am already manufacturing. If I give it to the consumers, I will get the feedback. This is one part I think which maybe in future we can add. Other part is apart from increasing the number of vendors, that this is the number of vendors I have increased as a third party manufacturer, what innovation I have incorporated into the product. Being a manufacturer, what innovation, how much energy cost I have reduced. If that could be the point where the innovation practices which the manufacturers have done into the product, that should also be showcased. Great place to be if I want to start my business in.